guys, don't go on TikTok and search Mrs. Impossible. Do not. I'm telling you guys, do not. Because that's my mommy and she literally so rude. She doesn't want me to be in any of her TikTok. She literally deleted the TikTok that I said I'm gonna be in, and she deleted it, and then she didn't want to do it again. And I'm sitting here in tears because my mommy deleted the video. So from now on, I'm not gonna be in any of my videos because she deleted that video. And I do it again, I'm deleting her video because she can't be so rude. Let me stop crying quick. Yeah guys, I'm not gonna be in any of my videos. She can be in it, but I'm gonna delete it off, then I'm gonna do it myself. And it's only gonna be family, not someone that I don't know. Now she deletes it, and I told her to save it. Now she deletes it. So don't go search that, go search Jordan Daniels. That's my teacher. She's the one that keeps you belonging, and she literally put her own knees on there. How can my mommy not put me on there? She put her own, she don't put videos now. So what's the point? What's the point of me staying here? I'm gonna go to my daddy, guys. I'm never coming here. I'm gonna tell my mommy I'm never coming here again. Honestly, because you don't put me in any of your TikToks. I'm going to win friend though. Without this got happen again. And we did this minor thing at school where my teacher had to, like, we came to school and then my teacher called for me, and so my teacher said, you're gonna see who's your favorite student in the box, right? And you look in there, it's like murder. It's like a murder, hell of a murder. But we can't tell anybody in our class. So we're gonna know what it is. And that's your favorite student, it's yourself. My teacher likes all of us the same. And yeah, and then she was supposed to post it on TikTok because I saw her at the phone recording. She was supposed to, and she didn't post it, but she said she's gonna post it again. So yeah, just go there, don't go anywhere else. Don't go on my mommy's one, it's impossible. Do not go on. Do not go on. I'm gonna do right, do not go on. Then in the comments, in the below caption, I'm gonna write Miss Impossible because she's rude and she has no face. She's a little brat. Bye guys, see you in another video without